Hi, I'm Vincent.
And I'm Vanessa.
Today I'm going to make my favorite drink, strawberry fruit punch, aka Kompot. Kompot is so much better than store-bought juice.
There's 10 cups water boiling.
You need about 2 cups of fruit. Today we have my favorite, strawberries and blueberries. And you need 1 cup of sugar to start. Now that our water is hot, add sugar and stir.
It's easy.
You really see this sugar. Now we have to add the fruit. This is my trick, how I do it. This is how I don't get splashed with hot water. Let them boil for 5 minutes and turn down the heat. Our punch is ready. It's time to let it cool. Squeeze half a lemon into the fruit punch. Drain your compote to get rid of the fruit.
Again, the last slide. This time it's a faster one. You see it go up?
Our pitcher is full. Look at the beautiful color. You have to store it in the fridge. I can't wait to taste this. It's time to do the taste test.
No. Ella.
So good. Thank you for watching my video. Like and subscribe. Bye.